What if you could replace Microsoft Office or Google Docs completely and never pay a subscription fee again? Same compatibility, same professional features, full offline access, and it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. I have been testing a tool that makes that possible, and after spending real time inside it, I think a lot of people are massively sleeping on this. It is called ONLYOFFICE Desktop Editors, and it is completely free and open source. No trial period, no premium tier hiding the good features, no subscription quietly billing you every month. Everything is free, and what you actually get inside is more capable than most people expect from a free Office suite. Let me start with the most important thing for anyone switching from Microsoft Office compatibility. ONLYOFFICE handles Docs, XLSX, PPTX, and PDF files natively. You open a Word document someone sent you, and it looks exactly right. You open an Excel spreadsheet with complex formulas, and they work. You open a PowerPoint presentation, and the formatting holds. Now let me walk you through what is actually inside the platform, because the feature depth here is genuinely impressive for something with zero cost attached to it. The document editor is clean, familiar, and full-featured. If you have used Word, you will be comfortable immediately. Everything you expect is there: styles, formatting, track changes, comments, mail merge. Nothing feels stripped down or limited. This is a complete professional document editor. The spreadsheet editor is where things get seriously capable. Over 450 functions, pivot tables, a built-in solver tool, and macro recording. For anyone doing data analysis, financial modeling, or business reporting, this is not a basic spreadsheet tool. This is a full-featured Excel alternative that handles complex work without asking you to upgrade to anything. The presentation editor gives you everything you need to build professional slides: clean formatting, transitions, animations, and full compatibility with PowerPoint files. For creators, educators, marketers, or anyone presenting to clients, the output looks professional and the files open correctly everywhere. Now, the PDF editor and this one genuinely surprised me. Most free tools treat PDFs as read-only. ONLYOFFICE lets you edit them properly. We are talking redaction for removing sensitive information, ochre for making scanned documents searchable and editable, annotations, comments, and digital signatures. This is a feature set you would normally pay for separately. It is built right into ONLYOFFICE Desktop at no cost. There is also a fillable forms tool, which is incredibly useful for businesses, freelancers, and anyone who sends documents that need to be completed. You build the form, assign fields to specific roles, and export it as a PDF ready to be filled and returned. The plugin system extends the platform even further. Translation tools, grammar checking, draw, I/O diagram integration, and more, all installable directly inside the app. So if your workflow needs something specific, there is a good chance a plugin already covers it. One of the most important features for a lot of users is the offline capability. ONLYOFFICE Desktop works completely without an internet connection. Everything you need is local on your machine. No cloud dependency, no login required, no features disappearing when your Wi-Fi drops. For anyone working in environments where connectivity is unreliable, or for people who simply do not want their documents going through a server, this is a genuine advantage. And when you do want collaboration, ONLYOFFICE connects to cloud platforms for real-time co-editing. Security is also handled seriously here. Advanced document encryption is built in so sensitive files stay protected. For businesses, legal professionals, healthcare workers, or anyone handling confidential information, document-level encryption without needing a separate tool is meaningful. There is also optional AI assistant integration available inside ONLYOFFICE. You can connect AI tools to help with writing, summarizing, formatting, and document tasks built directly into your editing workflow rather than requiring you to switch between apps. The bottom line is straightforward. ONLYOFFICE Desktop Editors gives you a complete professional Office suite: documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDF editing, fillable forms, plugins, offline access, cloud collaboration, and security tools, completely free on Windows, Linux, and macOS. No subscription, no hidden tiers, no compromise on compatibility. If you are paying for Microsoft Office or running Google Docs and wishing you had more control over your files and your data, ONLYOFFICE Desktop is worth 15 minutes of your time. The download link is in the description. It is free. Go try it on a real project and see exactly what you have been paying for elsewhere.